good news about Jesus has come to John chapter 4 from verse 43 to verse 54. Jesus make one youth get better. After the 2 days them come and gone, Jesus left go Galilee. Now, a Jesus same one did say that no prophet no get no respect in him own country. So now, when he reached Galilee, the people them will live there did take him in, cause them did go to Jerusalem for the Passover holiday, and them did see all of what him did do there. In a Galilee, him go to the place where them call Cana, the said place which part in the take water and turn it in a wine. Now, you did have one man from Capernaum where do big work for the king. We did have one boy picnic with it sick bad. When him hear said Jesus come back from Judea and that him did there Galilee, him go look for him and beg him to come with him at Capernaum to make him boy picnic where did both for dead better. But Jesus said to him, say, if uno people no see some sign and all sort of powerful miracle, uno would have never believe in me. But the man said to him, say, sir, beg you come with me. Go down to Capernaum before my boy dead. Then Jesus said to him, you can go on. Your boy picnic, I go live. Then the man believed what Jesus tell him say and set out to go back to him yard. Pan him way back, him servant them come meet him and tell him say, him boy picnic did I go live. So he asked them what time him boy did start get better. Them say, the fever broke yesterday, but in at the 1 o'clock bells. When them said that, and the man check it out, it come to him say, I did the same time Jesus did tell him say, your boy picnic, I go live. So the man and all of the people them will live in him house start to believe in a Jesus. That miracle I did the second one Jesus walk after he left Judea and go back to Galilee. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.